update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I sent out on the video this morning, beautiful ABCD here in November soybeans to be a seller there at $10. They've now made $400, which was a very nice trade. Also, if you were paying real close attention last night, I looked at these markets and I said, you know, there's no way we cannot be short. And so I told the folks to sell the 61% retracement on this, which was right there. It broke 30 handles. It's rallied back 16 to those 30, but as long as it doesn't get above here, you can see it just missed the 382 here this morning too. That's from the August 1st low, so it's held up relatively well, but it still has a nice profit in it. Whether you take that on your first move or not, boy, it's really tempting, folks, because you're only 2 points away from the 382, and that is, that's $1,000 move. When you're risking only 400 and you make 2.5 times that, you really have to think about it. There was one other one that we had that made a little money, not much, but we had a beautiful ABCD here in the bonds last night. I'll draw that up here so you'll be able to see it. There's your AB leg. There's your CD leg. Excuse me. Let's try to get this together, folks. Hold on, folks. I'm trying to get on the right day. Is what I'm trying to do, so bear with me here. There's your low, and there's your high right up here. And as you can see, when you came up in here, that was a previous day's move. I had a trade here, folks, and I can't remember why I had to trade, because I was looking at this pullback. We sold there because that was a previous high, and then it backed off, to this level here, which is just a $300 profit. We're only risking $150, but I don't see a really clear ABCD here that I was looking at last night. Let me look at this on the daily. I don't think I had anything wrong with it, but let me look at it. Nope, see, we're still shy on the daily. I still think we're going to get up to this level right here, which is at 116. A little bit higher than that, 117.13 is where it looks like in the Treasury bonds. But I was looking last night, and it looked so nice because it was right there, made a new high, and then it backed off. And then, of course, it only made that amount of money, which was $300. But $300, when you're risking just a little bit, is not bad. You have to look at it that way. Okay, so let's take a little break. We'll be right back and talk some more about some of these markets, and we've got action.